Hello friends, welcome back. Hope that you're having a blessed and prosperous day. Today's video is a collaboration spraying from around the globe with Pretty Things Renee, and please join her on her channel. This collaboration is spraying from around the globe. So we're from around different areas in different countries, and I am Penny from the United States of America. And today I'm going to show you guys how I clean up my hedges and spurge up some things and fix up some things. And as I go through this, hope that this inspires you for spring to clean up those flowers. So these are my red tip hedges, guys, and I had a whole lot of help from my grandchildren, so I had to be very mindful and careful. I have one that was taping for me, and here, guys, I'm just going to trim them up a little bit because I just planted these here last year that my daughter-in-law gave me, and I didn't want to cut them right away, but I am going to cut these down because it is time, and because I didn't want to put too much flowers in front, but I can make this look a whole lot better, make it a whole lot neater. So I'm using here an electric hedge cutter, and it's kind of easier for me to do it, and it's not going to take long. And this is not going to be a long video at all, guys, but just going to share with you some things I tweeted up and cleaned up in my flowers. So Renee just asked us to show around the house how we spurge up some things around our house, whether it's the front door, the back door, the patio, or the mailbox. So my hedges here, guys, are growing so beautiful, and I do like low maintenance flowers. I don't like anything I have to keep high maintenance on, and I really cut them down real low because you know hedges can really get big, and I didn't want them to get big. I apologize, guys. My grandson is taping and he just bouncing the camera all over the place. And this is my other red tip flower, the hedges I planted on the edge of the house, and it's doing good, but for some reason it had a little green little flower. I can't remember what that little flower called, and it wasn't doing nothing, but as soon as I put that there, it intertwined itself. So guys, I did took it apart, so I had to take time to work on that. I didn't show it in the video, but I did cut that vine away because it was just intertwining with it. And I did add the red moss with it. I wanted to add the black, but because I already had this, I was not going to buy black. But in this corner, guys, I know I still got to add a plant because I took a plant away because it was just too messy over there. So I still have to do some edging of the yard, cleaning the porch, and I hope that you can join me next month in the porch cleaning collab and redecorating. And this is my mailbox. Guys, it came out so beautiful after I'm cleaning and replant these tulips. They are so beautiful. So please go back and watch Miss Renee, and her channel will be in my description box. This is her first collab, guys, so please support her. I love y'all. Have a blessed, prosperous day from Penny. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.